On the chilly night of April 14, 1912, the world's largest and most luxurious ocean liner, the RMS Titanic, sailed serenely through the North Atlantic, heralding a new era in transatlantic travel. The vessel, a marvel of engineering and opulence, boasted a record-breaking speed, promising to bridge the gap between old and new worlds in mere days. Yet, beneath the veneer of grandeur, a sense of unease had begun to permeate the ship. Senior officers had reported an iceberg dead ahead, but Captain Edward Smith, confident in the Titanic's unsinkable design, dismissed their concerns. A few short hours later, the unthinkable happened. A colossal iceberg loomed out of the darkness, its menacing silhouette colliding with the Titanic's starboard side. The ship shuddered violently, a deep rent tearing open her steel hull. The passengers, initially unaware of the calamity, continued their festivities, blissfully unaware of the looming disaster. The crew, however, sprang into action. Orders were barked, lifeboats were launched, and the desperate race for survival began. In the chaos, not everyone was able to escape. Women and children were given priority, while the men were left to fend for themselves. The Titanic, once a symbol of human progress, was now a floating tomb, her hull sinking deeper into the frigid Atlantic waters. As the sun rose on April 15, the Titanic was no more. Over 1,500 souls lay entombed in the icy depths, their dreams of a new life in America forever shattered. The world mourned, and in the aftermath, safety regulations were tightened, and the legend of the Titanic lived on as a stark reminder of the precarious nature of human ambition. The sinking of the Titanic was not just a catastrophe, it was a turning point in maritime history. It highlighted the importance of safety measures, the limits of human hubris, and the fragility of life. The Titanic, once a symbol of hope and progress, became a cautionary tale, forever etched in the annals of history.